This is a Fab Fit Fun box for spring 2022. And this is my nephew. He's not a baby anymore. He's all grown up.
I'm not a baby.
And he's going to be our describer today. I'm going to put this box on the ground so we're not covering the whole camera. And let's see, because it's a pretty big box. Fab Fit Fun comes quarterly, so 4 times a year. It's about $50, and you get all kinds of cool stuff. I just took a box out of the big box, and I'm going to open it. Ooh, oh, this is cool. It's a spoon rest thing, like you put on your stove when you're cooking, and then you put your spoon on top so your stove doesn't get all dirty. It's cool. Is it glass or clay? What do you think?
I think it's glass. Yeah. Or like, shoot, what's that one? It's like the ceramic.
Ceramic, yeah.
Yeah.
It says something on the back.
Oh yeah, each ceramic spoon. It's a ceramic.
No, P-F? You can't read print, guys.
The what?
F something O-R. No, right there. On the back.
Shoot, I was looking on the box. Favor.
Oh, I can't read. What color is it?
It is white. The top half is white, and then the bottom half is gray.
Ooh, it's a nice contrast. So this is a useful thing. I do not have one of these in my kitchen, so I'm pretty excited. Okay, this is another box. Let's see. It doesn't want to open. This is a brush. It's a teeny tiny little
Daily facial dry brush.
Oh, okay. It's got soft bristles, so I guess you just brush your face. Let's see. This is a little Ziploc bag with a bag inside it. And ooh. Oh, they're earrings. Hey, look at that.
By Kate Spade.
Oh, just brand dropping.
They're nice. They're like, they've got a gold like trim, and then they're like diamonds, but they're like shiny purple green.
Ooh.
They're real nice. Shout out Kate.
Yeah, and put them in the little drawstring bag. This box has a lot of stuff in it. I think this is more stuff than usual. This is another box.
That's a pretty big box.
Open. Ooh. Okay, I don't know what it is, but it's a hexagonal jar with a magnet little spatula on top. Like the lid and the spatula are magnetized, so it sticks together. It feels really cool. It's a heavy, like, glass jar. No, I'm gonna smell it while Albert's reading it.
Yeah. So it's a Ceramide, ultra hydrating Ceramide moisture.
Oh, what?
Moisturizer.
Ooh. It doesn't really smell like anything, but I really like the jar.
Can't even read.
Well, I think this is
like
some kind of, yeah, it's like a little spatula thing.
Yeah.
This is some kind of makeup, because it comes with a sharpener. It's double-ended. So I guess one color on one side and one on the other. Maybe.
Double act. Shadow stick with sharpener.
Oh, so eyeshadow, I guess.
Ye-
He's like, I don't know.
yeah, I'm gonna just say yes.
This also looks like something cosmetic. Why are these boxes so not wanting to open? There we go. It's just a tube. I hand over the box. It's a tube with a wand type applicator. That doesn't open. Oh. No, it's not a wand. It's a pencil. It's something. I don't know what it is. This is weird.
Okay.
It looks...
I'm gonna just say the title of it.
Okay.
Hypernova Eye Serum.
Oh. But this looks kind of scary. I don't want to put that by my eye. It's like pointy when I take the lid off. It's weird.
Yeah.
I'm like, I don't know.
Like a ballpoint pen.
Yeah, like I don't want that near my eye. Okay, then there's this box, which is big and flat. Ooh, look at this. It's a thingy. It's a Lazy Susan, and it's made out of wood.
Did you just... Oh, yeah, you did.
Huh.
You just... Oh, like, shoot, close it, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
It's not like a clicker. Like, it's like a...
No, you just...
Yeah, it's a snapper.
Yeah.
This is nice. What's it called?
A Lazy Susan.
Lazy Susan.
What is that?
It's a wood. Dang. Dark brown. It's mostly dark brown, and there's like streaks of light brown.
Okay. It just looks like a nice solid piece of wood. Like it doesn't really look very decorative or anything. Like it's just kind of rustic.
Mm-hmm.
I like that. I think I like that better than the one on my table.
You are better at describing it than me.
So that's what we got. This is Fab Fit Fun Spring 2022 collection, and the website and all that will be in the description. And you should like, comment, subscribe, and
hit that follow button. And we'll be back
next
with
week.
more.